fix this issue, first of all, what you need to do here, you need to go to settings, then you need to go to time and language, go to date and time, and make sure your date and time is synced, right? And after that, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then you just need to press Windows and I key or simply run on search. Then on this new window here, you need to write msconfig and then go to services, hide all Microsoft services. And then what you need to do here is to disable all services and restart your computer. And after that, look if the problem persists. Next step, what you need to do here, you need to go to settings. Then you need to go to network and internet, and then go to proxy and make sure use proxy server is off. If it's on, just turn it off, right? And then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, next step, what you need to do here, you need to go to on view network connections. Then here you need to double click on Ethernet or your internet connection. Then you need to go to properties, then go to look for Internet Protocol version 4, and then on preferred you select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4, and apply the changes. Look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, go to settings again, go to network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. If you're using Ethernet cable, don't worry, you don't need to do here nothing. And if this do not work, then what I suggest to do here is to open up CMD, right click on it, run as admin. We need to wait a couple of seconds. And then first you need to write IP config / flush DNS. Then another command is nesh winsock reset. And the last command that you want to write is IP config / renew, right? And wait until it loads up, then restart your computer and your issue should be solved.